Hello children, now let's continue second part on page number 27, second paragraph. In previous video, we have seen that three children, Ravi, Meena and Ritu, gave away a pair of chappals which was of music masters. Now, every members, Lalli, Rukumani, grandmother and music master also all are searching chappals, but that three children silently sitting under the tree. Okay, now let's see what happened. Let's see the page number on page number 27. It's second paragraph. Taking a deep breath, she cried, Rukumani, there was a beggar here. Poor thing, he had such boils on his feet. So now Mrudu started talking truth to Rukumani. Now Mrudu શું કરે છે? એ સાચું બોલે છે. Taking a deep breath and she cried that Rukumani, there was a beggar here. Poor thing, he had such a boil on his feet. So there was a boil bubbles on his feet. So we have gave that chappal to that beggar, told by Mridu. So said Rukumani grimly. Grimly means unpleasantly. So what? Turning to Ravi. Now she turning to Ravi, and you gave the music master's chappal to that old beggar who turns up here. So Rukumani asked to Ravi that you have gave away the chappals of music master to that beggar. So એણે ક્વેશ્ચન કર્યું કે તમે આ મ્યુઝિક માસ્ટરના ચપ્પલ્સ બેગરને આપી દીધા. So children these days groaned party. So grandmother, groan means take a long breath with sadness means or sighed. Okay, so groan party. Amma didn't you tell me about Karna, who gave away everything he had, even his gold rings? He was so kind and generous. So Ravi now defending himself and told that, Amma, didn't you tell me about the story of Karna, who was very generous and who was very kind, who gave away everything of himself, of everything of him, and even his gold ring also he gave to others. So now Ravi was ડિફેન્ડિંગ હિમસેલ્ફ, પોતાની જાતને ડિફેન્ડ કરે છે અને કહે છે મમ્મા આટે મને સ્ટોરી સંભળાવી હતી કોની? કર્ણની. કર્ણ કેવો હતો? હી વોઝ વેરી કાઇન્ડ એન્ડ જનરસ એન્ડ હી ગેવ અવે એવરીથિંગ. એ બધું આપી દેતો હતો. ઇવન હિઝ ગોલ્ડ રિંગ ઓલ્સો હી ગેવ અવે. એની પાસે જે ગોલ્ડ રિંગ હતી એ પણ એણે આપી દીધી હતી. સો ડોન્ટ યુ ટેલ મી ધેટ સ્ટોરી, તમે એ સ્ટોરી કહી હતી ને. સો વોટ ઇઝ ધ મિનિંગ ઓફ રવિ? ધેટ આઈ ગેવ the chappals because you inspired me. So that is the meaning of Ravi. Silly, snapped Rukumani. So snapped means she shouted and told silly. Karna didn't give away other people's thing. He only gave away his own. Now Rukumani says that Karna did not give away other people's thing. He gave away only his thing. એ પોતાની જ વસ્તુઓ બીજાને આપતો હતો દાન તરીકે. બીજા કોઈની વસ્તુ લઈને દાન કરતો હતો નહીં. You silly મૂર્ખ. But my chappals wouldn't have fitted the beggar's feet. Now Ravi starting again and told that but my chappals wouldn't have fitted that beggar's feet. આ beggarના ફીટમાં મારા ચપ્પલ્સ તો ફિટ નહીં થતા હતા. Ravi rushed and brashly means seamlessly talking on and said that, and Amma, if they did fit, would you really not have minded? જો મારા ચપ્પલ ફિટ થઈ જતે તો તમને કંઈ વાંધો નહીં હતો. So asked Ravi to his mother. Ravi said Rukumani. So very angry now Rukumani and said that Ravi, and Go inside this minute. So she cried that, go inside this minute, Ravi. And she became very angry. She hurried indoor and brought out Gopu Mama's hardly worn new chappals. Now Rukumani go inside the room and brought out Gopu Mama's hardly worn means new brand chappals. These should fit you, sir. Please put this on. So now she requested sir to take these new chappals. I am so sorry, my son has been very naughty, so said by Rukumani. The music master's eyes lit up. Lit up means brightened. He was very happy now to see a new brand chappal. He put them on. Now music master put the chappals on and trying not to look too happy. So music master was hiding his happiness. And said that, well, I suppose this will, now turn page, this will have to do. આવું તો થવાનું જ હતું. These days children have no respect for elders. So told by start થઈ જાય હવે. Now music master started that these days children have no respect for elders. What to do? શું થાય? A Hanuman incarnate. હનુમાનના બધા અવતારો છે. Means all children's are very naughty. Only Rama can save such a naughty fellow. So only Rama can save such a naughty fellow. Means like a monkey. The meaning of that person was, આનો meaning શું હતો આ personનો? મ્યુઝિક માસ્ટરનો મિનિંગ શું કહેવાનો હતો? That your children is like monkey. Hanuman was a monkey, so your children is like a monkey, that he was so naughty. Rukumani's eyes flashed. Her eyes was widened and glittered up. She didn't seem to like Ravi being called a monkey, so she did not like her children being called monkey. And પોતાનું ચાઇલ્ડને કોઈ મંકી કહે, so she did not like even a holy monkey. She stood stiff and straight by the front door. Now she stood stiff and straight by the front road. So front door. So front door ઉપર stiff and straight એટલે તટ્ટાર અને એકદમ straight ઊભી રહી ગઈ. It was clear she wanted him to leave quickly. So now it was clear that she wanted the music master leave the house. When he had clattered off in his new chappals, clattered off means it is a clattered sound of chappals. Now music master started going. Music master જવા લાગ્યા. And there was a sound of chappals. Then she said that, Mridu, come in and have some tiffin. Come in the house and have some food. Honestly, how do you children think of such things? Now Rukumani says that, how do you children think of such things? તમે children આવા બધા વિચારો ક્યાંથી આવતા હશે? Thank God your Gopu Mama doesn't wear his chappals to work. વર્ક પર જાય ત્યારે ગોપુ મામા ચપ્પલ પહેરતા નથી. So thank God. As she walked towards the kitchen with Mridu and Meena, she suddenly began to laugh. Now Rukumani suddenly began to laugh while they were walking toward the kitchen. But he is always in such a hurry. But he is always in such a hurry to throw off his shoes and socks and get into his chappals as soon as he come home. So when Gopu Mama comes home, what he usually do? He throw off his shoes and socks and get into his chappals. But સૌથી પહેલા ગોપુ મામા શું કરે છે ઘરે આવે ત્યારે? He throw off shoes and socks and wear chappals. What's your mama going to say this evening when I tell him I gave his chappals to the music master? Now she wondering that what happened when she told everything to Gopu Mama about his chappal. And lesson ends with the wondering of Rukumani. This lesson is written by Vasantha Surya. Okay, so this is the end of the story, and because of this three naughty children, two people got the chappals. First, the beggar who did not have chappals, and second, the music master who had got new chappals. Okay, so that is the end of the lesson, a gift of chappals. Okay, stay home children, take care.